Hello everybody, it is me, Rubbish Ruby, and I'm coming at you with another— why do I keep saying I'm coming at you? That just kind of feels like very aggressive. I'm sorry if you hear Pepperoni crying. She's a loud cat, and she can't leave this room. I'm sorry, you can't leave the room! So I guess I'll just leave the camera for Pepperoni to take over. Today I'm going to be doing, we're doing a get ready with me chit chat thing. I'm trying to do a specific kind of makeup look. I'll put the pictures up here. I'm not looking at them directly for inspiration, but I just looked at them, so they're in my brain for inspiration. The main thing I want to do is the really nice sleek eyeliner, and then also the eyebrows, and I want the little cut in the eyebrow, because I think that, I don't know, or I want to do like the little itty baby brows, like some of those pictures. I don't know. That's where we're at today. I can't have my second light here anymore. I had a light here that probably made things look a lot better. Unfortunately, it doesn't want to work anymore. I don't know. Go check out my Patreon if you'd like to support my channel and me getting new things so that my YouTube isn't a mess. So I'm gonna be starting with, ignore that my hair looks a little greasy. I put water in it because where I work, I have to like put my hair back, like my bangs back, so they have like a nice split there. So when I get home I have to like wet it down so it doesn't do that. I'm using the Pretty Fresh ColourPop Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer, which we already know I can't stop using like a mass amount of this. I have to use so much because I want it to be a little bit fuller coverage, but it feels so nice. And it blends out so nice that it's just like, I don't know, I can see myself buying this again for sure, just because of how well it blends. Like, yeah, I got a new cat. I was not expecting to get a new cat, like, at all, to be honest, because my cat Baron just passed away, and I was like, it's gonna be a long time before I get a cat, but the cat distribution center found me and shoved a cat in my throat. She was found at a barn, and like she was just really malnourished, and Daniel's cousin who found them was like thinking about how the cat probably wouldn't live that long, you know, because of how malnourished she was. She was trying to find someone to take her in. Lo and behold, I will take any cat if you give me an offer. And it's kind of been healing, to be honest, because they were both— Baron was an orange cat too, and he was really sweet, and she's kind of doing the same right now. It's just making me feel better. Like, I don't know how to explain that, and I don't know if that's like healthy, but like, at least I'm not cloning my cat. That is something that's weird that I can't get behind. I feel like I would never— I'm sorry, this is such a like hard switch. Not really, it's related topic. I literally could never do that because I would never be able to, like, I would know that it's not really him, because I just think it's weird. Like, I don't know. It feels wrong, it feels weird. I don't like it, to be honest. You live your life. Let me know what you think about it though in the comments, because I am curious. I can understand why people do it after losing my cat. My cats are interacting under the door with each other. Basically, the only reason I have her set aside from my cats right now is because we don't know if she has any like, is it FIV? So she has to get a blood test. I just want to make sure before. She's obviously in the same space as my cats, and I'm hoping it's good and fine. I think it will be. She can't see her new siblings yet. I like to take my time with cats, like moving in with each other or like getting a new cat, because a lot of the time, like, imagine if you were at your house right now, right? You're chilling, you're in your space, you have your place, you're vibing, and then out of nowhere some dude just shows up, some random ass stranger. You don't know who they are, you don't know what they want, and they just start living there. Weird. I understand why cats would not like that, because I wouldn't like that. I'd be pissed. I'd be like, really? So I'm gonna do the little nose thing. Okay, nose. Contour, go, slay. What else has happened? I'm trying to think of what else has been going on in my life. I didn't record a video for like a week. I was just really busy with fucking Pepperoni. I was like wanting to be by her at all times. So any free time I had, I was like spent watching and playing with her and making sure she's good, and like getting her things that she needs, etc. So my week was kind of thrown off. I didn't get to post my video when I wanted to, but it's going up this week now. You gotta do what you gotta do, you know? And I'm really excited because Daniel and I, my husband, have been starting to do this thing where we meet up at a coffee shop that we really like. Well, I mean, we both drive there together, but we go to a coffee shop we really like, and we make like a plan for the week, which has been really helpful for my neurodivergent ass. Daniel's also neurodivergent, so it really helps for us to like set down goals we have for the week, what days we're gonna be streaming, what days I'm gonna be filming content, what days I'm gonna be, you know, doing the thing, doing craft projects instead. And so far, it's only the second week that we've done this, but so far my week has been Last week was really productive, minus pepperoni. I'm gonna use this. This is a NYX pigment primer. I'm gonna try to use this, even though it's really old. Oh god, I'm kind of scared. What's it gonna come out like? Oh, it's just really slow to come out. I'm like ultra mega shaky today, which does not excite me. I'm so sorry if you guys don't like cats. This is, you know, this is the final straw. This is the video. I will always have cats in my videos, and I will always have cats meowing in my videos, right? She knows. She gets it. Anyways, like I was talking about the to-do lists, like it has been so helpful. Plus we're able to like talk about like what goals we have. So like, let's say I really want to finish a YouTube video this week. Like I would be like, yeah, I really want to do this. And then we try to like ask like if we need something from the other person. Like if I needed support from Daniel to like, please make me like, if I'm like doing nothing, call it out and remind me of like what I'm trying to do, or I need you to leave me alone this day, or whatever. The Fenty was, the contour was Fenty, and then this powder is also Fenty Beauty. I forgot to mention that. I forget that I'm doing a makeup video. Anyways, I'm really excited about stream right now because I've been really like excited to play Dead by Daylight again, which is kind of like, I feel like my interest in games really comes in waves. I'm sorry if I don't finish a thought in this because I do that a lot, but I get uninterested and interested in games so like frequently, like giving me like whiplash, you know? I feel like we're gonna do this one, the Animal Crossing palette, which is so cute. What? I'm just putting that on my little cheekies and slaying. I don't think I'm gonna do that much. It's gonna be very minimal blush, I think. And then I'm gonna use a different highlighter than I normally do too. I normally use the Ofra Cosmetics, but I forgot that I had this Becca highlighter, which doesn't exist anymore, but it's really pretty, and I want some of it on my cheeks. Is that worth it? Was that worth it? Was that good? I get so scared. I just use the same one all the time because I feel like the gold ones look a little silly on me, but maybe I can just use that as like a base. I think that what I want to do next is my eyebrows, if I'm going to be doing eyebrows, because I feel like that's going to be really hard for me to do. I'm probably going to have to redo them a lot, or maybe I won't have to redo them a lot and I'm just really a professional makeup girly, but I don't know about that because I'm really, my shakiness, if y'all don't know I have tremors, my shakiness today has been really bad. I'm just putting down a base for like my eyeshadow and my eyebrows because I like there to be like a solid base. I'm trying to decide what color I want to use for my eyebrows. This doesn't really have a dark brown. It has a lighter brown though. Okay, I'm gonna use this palette. Again, it's a palette from another Thou Shall Not Be Named. I can't with how many makeup influencers and like makeup people absolutely just fucking sucked. Like what the hell was that? I haven't really been in the makeup scene I guess since then, but or as far as like online like internet presence. So I wanted to do like that, you know? So I'm gonna try and do it this side and then do the same that side and then go from there. And I'm just gonna balance. Oh, okay. We're doing something. I get so anxious about eyebrows. Plus like if you have when I have my glasses on, you can't even really see my fucking eyebrows anyways, so it's like, is this really worth it, you know? Ooh, I look kind of mean in like a hot way. Okay, I'd say they're pretty, like, they look even right now, as even as they can, just being a line. Oh fuck, that doesn't look even anymore. Or nor. I think they look kind of good. Okay. I think I kind of popped off. And then I want to do a slit. Sorry, I'm just checking them out. I'm like, do these look okay? I think they look okay. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and do like a, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Swipe something over it, like dot on some concealer or something might work. Oh no, my cat shit, it's really smelly. This is my one complaint I have about this cat is she's literally the smelliest little fucker I've ever met. Like she will fart anytime you pick her up and it's not cute if you're in the same room and perceiving it. There's something, you got some magic power or something with shitting because goddamn girly pop. I need to clean my brushes more, but I just haven't. Maybe I'll do like a video cleaning my brushes. Maybe that would get me to like want to do it. Okay, and what one do I want the slit on? I think this side. Okay, are we vibing with this or no? Okay, and I want to see what it looks like with my glasses on. And then I'm probably going to do a quick break so my computer doesn't die. My camera doesn't die, which this is a great... Oh, I think they look cute. They actually look pretty slay. This is another great time for me to say, please check out my Patreon. I need a new camera really bad, and I need more lighting. So if you like my videos, you like the vibe, the plan is that I'm going to keep making YouTube videos for now until forever, as far as I'm aware. If you want to help out at all, that would be appreciated. Okay, we're back. I took a little break. Hopefully that was enough for my camera. We'll see. I think for the makeup I'm gonna do kind of like a darker reddy, like red vampy kind of color. since we're doing like the more vampy, like nice slick eyeliner, I'm gonna do a few things. I already put the powder on my eyes. But yeah, this is the Naked Cherry Urban Decay palette. Fucking beautiful. I love it. And I'm just gonna start with like a lighter color. Can you see that? And like pat that on. And then once I pat that on, I'm gonna be kind of outlining a shape so that we have like more of a shaped eyeshadow than like a not shaped eyeshadow. Does that make any sense? I am not a makeup guru, so this doesn't really need to be, this doesn't need to be that perfect. This part, at least in my opinion. So we're just kind of doing like a shape there. Then I'm gonna try and do the same on my next eye. We did that. Next I'm gonna go in with a darker red and kind of go for that same shape. And then I'm just gonna have it like blend inward to a lighter color. So I'm using this, what is it called? Bing. I don't like that. I don't like the name of the eyeshadow, I'm sorry. So I'm trying to bring this maybe like to the halfway point of my eye. So yeah, you see I brought it to like the middle point. Can you see? I'm so sorry, the lighting is awful, guys. I'm so sorry. But I think that looks good. To me, I think it looks pretty good. So I'm gonna go in with the next darker color, which is gonna be, we're gonna do a matte color. We'll do a matte color. This is the darkest eyeshadow that I'm gonna be using. And I'm just gonna do like half of that place. So like we've done one and then we're splitting it up. Does that make sense? Is that wording? Oh, this eyeshadow has a lot of fallout, specifically just the dark one. I had no issue with the smaller or the lighter ones, but you know, it is what it is. Now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna use a big fluffy brush to blend everything. So specifically this. The outer part of the eyeshadow though, I'm not gonna be blending, so I still want it to be that kind of more sharp shape. That's a nice phrase, sharp shape. I like that. I like me a sharp shape. And I think I'm gonna try and go darker because I feel like this is cute and it's like doing its thing, but it's not doing its thing for me. I swear to God, I feel like I make little to no sense, and then when I like go through editing my videos, I'm just like, what the fuck was I even talking about? Okay, I think I'm liking this so far. I have to get a black color, but I'm gonna use a small little brush. I'm gonna use my eyebrow brush, the brush that I use to draw my eyebrows, and I'm just gonna darken up the corner a little bit. Oh fuck, doesn't look great. That's okay. It's okay, guys. Don't panic. Don't panic. Me panicking. I kind of feel like I fucked up. Maybe I didn't. I don't know. I want to use like this really bright white for the inner corner. I want it to be really like on there. Maybe I'll use my eyeshadow stick thing because I think this is technically an eyeshadow stick. But I usually use it as like simply a highlighter. I don't know how well this would work out. Oh wait, that actually looks kind of good. Ooh, I like this. This is doing what I wanted it to do. I'm going to use this color though again because I kind of feel like that you worked as a base. I have so much trust in myself with fucking makeup that I'm just like, let me just poke this in my eye real quick. This palette, the cherry palette again, and I'm gonna try and like go in more with like that dark. Hey fellas, we're back. My camera died. I added in some more of the like lighter color because I felt like it was getting too dark and too muddy, but I feel like I fixed it. Maybe I didn't. I think it looks good in normal lighting and not this bright ass lighting. So we're just gonna go with it. Next I'm gonna do eyeliner. I wasn't gonna do any eyeshadow on the bottom, but I think I am gonna do a tight line. Is that what it's called? Tight line? I'm just putting this down here. I'm sorry if this grosses you out. I'm gonna do the eyeliner then, which I'm just gonna be following this line, and then I think I want to do like an inner corner thing where it goes like because I think that would look cute. But we're just going to try this first. I'm really shaky today, so please bear with me, y'all. This might take a while, but you'll just get what the fuck. We have a mistake here. Since I was holding the makeup like that, it decided to leave a bunch of little dots all over my fucking cheek. We're just gonna pretend to cover that up. I don't care. I don't care enough about it. She still looks kind of okay. We're gonna blend her out a little bit more. That's what I learned. That's what I learned in that moment. It was too much of a line. I think that's probably better. Ignore the black dots on my face if you can. Also, editing Ruby. Okay, this is a question for editing Ruby and also for you guys. Do you guys want to see the eyeliner progress? Like, do you want me to do a little like speed it up so you can see what I'm doing, and then maybe I say something over it or I play some music? Otherwise, is that boring? Do you really care that much? Like, I don't know. I'm feeling conflicted. I think I need a new eyeliner, and then I just need to bring this out. Ooh. Okay. I want the line like in this area of the eyeliner. I want that to be thinner. All hands on deck, bitch. Remember to blink, because otherwise you will blink when you're doing your eyeliner and you will cry. Speaking from experience. Okay, next time. Please. Okay, wait. I think I slayed. Am I just getting more dots on my face though now? Jesus Christ. Okay, I think that actually looks good. We did it so far. I have a lot of dots on my face now from who knows where. I'm just gonna... No one ever know. People totally can't tell. We can't tell, okay? I'm gonna do eyelashes off camera and then... Do I just do it on camera? I'm gonna do lashes off camera because I think it's boring. I ended up doing my lipstick off camera too, just because I do the same thing every time. Like, you can literally go back on my first video and I did the same thing, but I can, if anyone cares, I can always do it in the future. Just let me know. But this is the final look. I'm really happy with it. I feel like it looks really cute and I feel like I kind of slayed. And I definitely think I got the like vibe I was going for. My eyelashes were kind of acting weird, so I don't know if they're... I can't even see if it's popping off right now, to be honest. Oh, she is a little... Ignore that, we'll fix it. But yeah, this is the final look. I feel very slay. Thank you for watching again. But yeah, if you want to see more of me, I live stream on Twitch every Tuesday and Friday, and then I also am on like Instagram a lot and Threads, all that stuff. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Let me know what your favorite animal is. That's pretty easy. I like that one. My favorite animal is probably a cat because I'm obsessed with cats and I just want more cats. Okay, that's all. Okay, bye!